Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Shopping and how to find the best deals that are currently on sale. Deals that are usually hidden simply because there are plenty of ads in front of them, or simply there is a natural search engine optimization listings that are popping in front of them. So let's dive in. First thing first, let's Google for Polo men's shoes, right? We're gonna type Polo men's shoes and we're gonna go over and we're gonna see, yes, we're gonna see some sales items, right? But pay attention, this is all sponsored on the upper right corner, right? This is no natural listings. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna click shopping on this menu. Now when we're at shopping, you're still not getting the best deal simply because you gotta click over here on the left side where you see the small filter section. You click on the filter section and here you have the option to essentially click on sale. Do you see? There is an option that it says on sale, and when we click on sale, oh surprise surprise, we start seeing a completely different models, a completely different shoes, different prices, and everything looks very different. And it is not only this, guys, there are plenty of other functions which will allow you over here to filter your searches and will help you to get the best results. As you can see on the site, we can simply filter them by a particular style, by color, by design, and we can also filter by different elements such as the structure, high top, loafers, the type of the sneaker, right? Usually you can filter them over here, as you can see, by materials as well, by canvas, by leather, which is absolutely amazing. But I'm gonna give you another tip. Click again on the filter icon, and because a lot of people are reselling items that are pre-owned condition on this other platforms such as Mercari or Poshmark or eBay, and we don't want that, right? We want the brand new shoes. So we're gonna scroll again through the filters. We're gonna scroll down to the section that it says condition. Okay, we're gonna click on the condition and we're going to select the new condition section. This is very important because we are going to get a brand new shoes, and then we can go back and select a color, we can select the price range, we can select the style, and if you really want to not pay for the shipping, you want to click this function over here nearby. This will simply allow you to buy shoes that are located close by, that are on sale, that are brand new, and they fit into your price range. This is very important, guys. This will save you a tons of time. Otherwise you're gonna be scrolling over here and you're gonna be wondering, okay, where should I find the best deals? As you saw, the deals over here that we're finding scrolling down were not appearing on the upper search. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.